Hello. Uh, I'm not at all getting your sound. Yes.
Yes.
Next, second question is this.
Okay, y is equal to x plus 5 and x is less than 4.
Yes, and the relation R is the set of n natural numbers. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. First, try to write it in normal form,
So,
like roster form.
so we can take 1 comma 6,
Yes, 1, 6.
2 comma 7,
Correct.
3 comma 8.
Hmm.
That's it.
Because less than 4, right? Now,
This is
is it
yes.
reflexive?
No, because 1 comma 1 is not in.
1, 1 does not belongs to R. Therefore, not reflexive. Is it symmetric?
Yes. No, because 1 comma 6 belongs to R, but 6 comma 1 does not belong to R.
Yes, 6, 1 does not belongs to R. Transitive,
Transitive also no,
transitive,
because
hmm, because 1, 6 से है. Okay, why is it not transitive? Can you explain?
इसके वजह से a comma b and then b comma c, but a
Yes,
comma c नहीं है.
A,
So
C नहीं है, right? Okay,
yes.
क्या लिखेंगे reason? There is no such pair. Correct? आपका वो कंडीशन लिखना. A, B belongs to R, B, C belongs to R. Then A, C also belongs to R. This is enough, right?
Okay. Yes.
Next. Okay, third question देखना एक बार. Okay, I'll just write the question. You answer it orally. आप ये reflexive है या नहीं है?
Okay.
Third question basically. Uh, Set A has 6 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there is a
Hmm.
relation such that x comma y such that y is divisible by x. Y is divisible by x. Okay, is it reflexive?
It is reflexive because 1 comma 1 and 2 comma 2 belongs.
Okay, कैसे लिखेंगे
And
आप
it,
एग्जाम में?
so we'll write it as कि x comma x
Hmm.
belongs to R
Yes,
because x is divisible by
x is divisible by x. Therefore, it is reflexive.
reflexive.
Next,
Uh,
symmetric.
Symmetric.
Symmetric
One.
होगा या नहीं होगा?
No.
काउंटर एग्जाम्पल देना कोई तो.
So we can write कि 1 comma 2 belongs to R,
1,
means
2
2 is,
belongs to R.
so 2 is divisible by 1,
Hmm.
but 2 comma 1 does not belong to R because 1 is not divisible by 2.
Yes, correct. Same reason, not symmetric. Transitive.
Not symmetric. Transitive. Um, Transitive होगा because if
Okay, let's take, how do you write in exam? X comma y belongs to R. What does it mean?
that x y is divisible by x.
Yes, यहाँ पे y is divisible by x. Then you take y
Yes.
comma z also belongs to R. What does it mean?
So z is divisible by y.
Yes. इसका मतलब x comma z belongs to R होगा या नहीं होगा?
मैं एक एग्जांपल लेके देखती हूँ.
हाँ, कर सकते हो. ओके, ऐसे भी कर सकते हो, लाइक y is divisible by x. Let's take y as something. Ax, correct?
Okay.
Because y is divisible by x, correct? यहाँ
हाँ,
पे z
so ये
is
भी है
divisible by y. You take some
y,
constant
so
into y.
ay
या ky
dy.
या dy. ओके, नाउ x का और z का रिलेशन कुछ है यहाँ पे. x
x
एंड
और z का
z. ये वर्कआउट नहीं होगा, राइट? If no, this won't work, I think, right?
no.
No, I see an x. Y is divisible by x. Okay. Z, sorry. Z is divisible by y. एक कोई एलिमेंट देंगे आप, एग्जाम्पल एलिमेंट.
एक मैंने ये देखा है कि जैसे if we say 1, 2
ओके.
and 2, 6,
ओके.
so
1,
1, 6
6 belongs
belongs
to
to
R.
R.
Yes, सब all true होगा, राइट? कोई ऐसा नहीं बचेगा कि false होगा, करेक्ट? Because you write a statement, that
False
is
नहीं
enough.
होगा.
If
Yes.
xy belongs to R, that means y is divisible by x. Y comma z belongs to R means
Okay.
z is divisible by y. Clearly, x
Z is
comma z.
divisible.
Basically, z is divisible by x. होगा ही होगा.
Right.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question.
Next.
Next question पढ़ना.
Relation R in the set Z of
Hmm.
all integers defined as R equals to x comma y such that x minus y is an integer.
ओके, इंटीजर दे रखा है रिलेशन में. ऑर्डर पेयर इज x comma y and x minus y is
X
integer.
minus y.
Hmm.
Yes.
Okay. Is it reflexive?
Reflexive, yes.
Yes. Why?
Because if we take x comma x, then x minus x will be 0, which is integer.
Yes. Symmetric?
Symmetric, 2, 1. Yes.
Symmetric होगा, correct?
Yes, होगा.
Okay. If you take you take a comma b belongs to R. Imagine. इसका मतलब क्या है? A minus b is an integer, correct?
A minus b is, yes.
Yes. Then if you take b comma a, what does it mean?
That b minus a is an integer.
Yes. A integer हुआ तो इसका negative sign is also clearly integer. They didn't mention
Integer
positive or
होगा.
negative, right?
Yes.
Is also an integer. Reflexive है, symmetric है, transitive.
Transitive, yes, because if a and b are belongs to R, so
Okay.
a minus b is an integer.
Okay. A comma b
And
belongs to R
that's
means
it.
a minus b integer. B comma c
Yes.
belongs to R.
B comma c.
Hmm.
That means b minus c is integer.
Okay.
So then we can directly write कि then a comma c, a minus c will also be an integer only.
Okay. A comma c
Because
belongs to R बोल रहे हो, right?
yes.
Okay. But how do you write it in exam? Okay. Basically, a minus b is an integer. यहाँ पे correct? Is it a minus b or
Yes.
b minus a? A minus b only, right?
A minus b.
यहाँ पे b minus c is an also integer, right?
B minus c.
Right. ये दोनों को
Yes.
ऐड किया तो क्या हो जाएगा आपको? प्लस b माइनस b कट हो जाएगा. A minus c is also an integer.
So a minus.
Okay. You show this.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Clear? It is also transitive.
Transitive.
Yeah. Next question. Read it.
Next, relation R in the set A of human beings in a town at a particular time given by first R x comma y such that x and y work at the same place.
Okay, I'm writing x comma y work at same place. Same
place.
Okay, is it
Yes.
reflexive?
Yes, because I mean x comma x. So
Yes,
one that person works at same
both
place.
person. Okay, because it is reflexive because x comma x belongs to R. That means x comma x work at same place. Okay, is it symmetric?
Yes.
Yes. Is it transitive?
Yes, because if transitive x comma y and y comma, yes, it is transitive.
Yes. Okay. Next question.
X and y such that x and y live in the same locality. So
Okay.
it is a reflexive.
Same locality, same place. It is the same thing, right?
Same thing only.
Next.
Next, x is exactly 7 centimeter taller than y.
Okay, I'll write this. Okay. X comma y. X is exactly
7
7
centimeter
centimeter
taller
taller.
than y.
Okay. Is it reflexive?
No, because x comma x does not belong to y.
Yes, because one person exactly 7 centimeter cannot be taller.
Same.
Then
Yes.
not reflexive. Symmetric?
Symmetric, no, because if x comma y belongs to R, then y is shorter, so y cannot be 7 centimeter taller than x.
Yes.
So
Y
y comma x
comma.
does not belong to R.
Yes. Because it is not symmetric. Transitive?
Transitive, no,
Okay. But you
because
give one ऐसे लिखेंगे not a transitive. Just words में
so
लिखना
we can give
like
example कि
yes.
x
Continue.
so we can write कि x comma y belongs to R means x is 7 centimeters taller than y.
Correct.
If y comma z belongs to R, then y is 7 centimeters taller than z.
Yes.
So accordingly, x will be 14 centimeters taller than z. So x comma z does not belong to R.
Yes. Simple. Okay. It is none of these. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Next.
None of them.
Next question.
Next is x comma y such that x is wife of y.
Okay. Wife question, brother question, like it is the same thing, right? Okay. मैं just
Same
लिखता हूँ
gender
question.
ध्यान रखो.
हाँ. X comma y. Condition is x is wife of y. Correct.
Wife of y. Yes.
Okay. Symmetric. Okay. First reflexive.
No.
Okay. Symmetric.
No.
Okay. Transitive.
Transitive also no because
Possibly नहीं होगा. X is wife of y. Y is wife of
possible.
z. Then X cannot be wife of z. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Next question is also same thing. X is father of y. Okay.
Yes.
Same almost.
So yeah.
It is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive.
Reflexive also not transitive. Yes.
Okay. Next question. Question 2.
So
R is there is a comma b. Condition is a is less than or equal to b square.
B square.
Neither reflexive
Yes.
nor transitive. None of these prove करना है क्या?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Then how do you do?
You have to prove it is none of them.
Okay. Let's take the first one. Reflexive.
So we can take
एक मिनट इसको थोड़ा सा reflexive है या नहीं है? Let's take A comma A belongs to R. So that implies basically A is less than A square. Is it true? ध्यान
No.
ध्यान से दोनों में कोई तो एक सेटिस्फाई होना चाहिए.
2. If we take A as 2,
Okay.
then it will be
2 is less than or equal to 2 square, which is true. Correct? If you are taking 2 comma
yes,
2,
it's
imagine. What does it mean? 2 is less than or equal to 2 square. Is it true? True only, na? Less than or equal to.
yes, it is
Any one
true.
condition has to satisfy.
Yes,
Clear?
it is. Yes.
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 Correct है? Wrong है?
So it will be reflexive.
Okay, but question 2 में, if you read it, they are taking real numbers.
Yes.
Real numbers में fractions भी आते हैं. Correct?
Okay.
So try to think about
So if we take
fractions.
1 by 2,
Yes, fraction लेना. Let's take 1 by
if
2,
we take 1 by 2,
comma 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 less than or equal to 1 by 2 square is how much? 1 by 4. Is it true?
so 1 by 2 will be greater than 1 by 4.
That means it is false. Correct?
Yes.
That means it is not reflexive. Got it? Counter example देना है आपको.
Got it. Yes.
Okay?
Okay.
Basically, you write 1 by 2 comma
Yes.
1 by 2 belongs to R, but 1 by 2 not. इसका a count कोई तो एक counter example दे दो. It is not satisfying. 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 does not belongs to R. How do you write it in
Okay.
exam? Half comma half does not belongs to R. Reason लिखना. Why? Because 1 by 2 less than or equal to 1 by 2 whole square, which is false.
1 by 2. Yes.
Okay, just you write this part enough. 1 by 2 does not belongs to R. Half is less than half square, which is false. Okay, symmetric. Symmetric के लिए
Symmetric.
काउंटर एग्जांपल देना है आपको फॉल्स प्रूव करने के लिए.
So if we take, so if we take 1 comma 2
Okay,
belongs to R.
1 comma 2 belongs to R. Is it true? 1 is less than 2 square. Yes, it is true.
Yes, 1 is less than 4. But 2 comma 1 does not belong to R because
Okay.
4 is not less than 1.
2 comma 1
doesn't equal to.
does not belongs to R. That means 2
Sorry, 2
is
is
less than or equal to 1 square, which is false. Yes, correct.
Not
Not a symmetric.
transitive.
Transitive.
Transitive के लिए we can give.
Transitive के लिए
So we can give 1 comma.
रियल नंबर्स ध्यान रखना, ठीक है, नॉट ऑलवेज इंटीजर्स. ओके. ट्रांसिटिव के लिए
So we can give we have to take fractions इसमें.
फ्रैक्शंस ले सकते हो बिकॉज आप इंटीजर्स लिया तो हमेशा यू विल गेट द आंसर. ओके, थिंक अबाउट रियल नंबर्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू.
आंसर यस.
रियल नंबर्स में ऐसा कोई सेट ढूंढना.
So we can take 1. 1 by 4.
1 by 4 का
1 by 2.
1 by, wait. Okay, first pair, first ordered pair. Which one? Okay, if you're getting confusion, let's take this. 3 comma 2 ले लो. Okay, what does it mean? 3 is less than or equal to 2 square, correct?
Oh, yes.
This is true, correct? Let's take
Yes,
2
it's true.
2 comma 2 का less than value लेना कोई तो 2 का less than value let's take 1.5.
So,
Okay, 2 is less than 1.5
okay,
square. 15 square is how much? 2.25. Correct?
2.25.
This is also true.
Yes,
This is also belongs to R. Then
less than equal
3
to.
comma 1.5. Think about it. 3 is less than or equal to 2.25. Is it true?
No.
False. Okay. Does not belongs to R.
False.
Okay.
Okay.
Therefore, it is neither reflexive, not symmetric, not transitive.
Nor.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll do one more question. Third one.
Yes.
Third question. What is third one? Same. Set A has 6 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And relation is A comma B. B is A
B
plus 1.
is A plus 1.
It is reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. Already prove करना है. They only gave the answer, right? Okay. Reflexive के लिए. A comma A belongs to R
So,
होगा.
reflex.
First, can you write it in normal form? This one relation.
Yes. So, it will be 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3,
1
3
comma
comma
2.
4,
Hmm.
4 comma 5,
Hmm. Then
and
when A value is 5,
5 comma
6. Correct?
6. हाँ 6
Hmm.
is
Then reflexive है.
reflexive तो नहीं है.
Yes, 1 comma 1, like 2 comma 2, dot 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 6 comma 6 does not belongs to R. Therefore, not reflexive.
Reflexive does not belong.
Symmetric है.
Yes. Symmetric. No,
Yes, कोई तो एक
because
example.
1 comma 2 belongs to R, but 2 comma 1 does not.
Yes, 2 comma 1 does not belongs to R. Transitive है.
Transitive नहीं है, because same 1 comma 2 belongs to R, 2 comma 3 belongs to R, but 1 comma 3 does not belong
Yes, A
to
पे
R.
there. 1, 2 belongs to R, comma 2, 3 belongs to R, and 1 comma 3 does not
But
belongs to
1,
R.
3,
Therefore, not transitive. Okay.
not transitive. Yes.
और एक करके स्टॉप करेंगे लास्ट क्वेश्चन. ओके. Question
Okay.
4 last. What is question 4? Relation A comma B.
Relation such that A is less than equal to B.
Yes. Okay. Reflexive, symmetric,
Yeah, it will
transitive.
be reflexive.
Because A comma A belongs to R. Why? Because A is always less than or equal to A. It is true.
Because A is equal to A. Yes.
Next. Symmetric,
Then it is not symmetric.
not
No.
symmetric. कोई तो एक
Because
example देना.
if A comma B belongs to R,
कोई तो एक counter
so we
example.
can take 1 comma 2.
1 comma 2 belongs to R. That means 1 is less than or equal to 2. But 2 comma 1 does not
Is less
belongs
than
to R.
2
Right?
is not R. Yes.
Next, transitive.
Transitive.
Okay, let's take one order pair. AB belongs to
Transitive
R.
होगा.
Yes, compulsory होगा. Then A comma C also belongs to R. एक words में लिखना
So A
इसको.
is less. Yeah, we'll write that A comma B belongs to R means A is less than equal to B.
Correct.
Then B comma C belongs to R means B is less than equal to C. So A will always be less than equal to C.
That means A comma C belongs to R. ओके, आपका असाइनमेंट क्या
Yes.
है अभी? ओके, असाइनमेंट क्या करोगे आप?
बाकी वाले
ओके, वेट, आपका नया नोटबुक लिया है, नहीं लिया आपने?
हाँ मैं कल ही लेकर आई थी।
ओके, उस नोटबुक में स्टार्टिंग से आज जो पढ़ाया पूरा लिखना है उसमें, देन कंप्लीट द एक्सरसाइज एनसीईआरटी।
ओके।
ओके, ए में मतलब डायरेक्टली यू कैन
1.1 ना?
स्टार्ट विथ एक्सरसाइज, आई थिंक बेटर, राइट?
ओके 1.1।
यस, 1.1, हाउ मच यू कैन डू, आप देख लेना। आई थिंक इसमें कितने हैं क्वेश्चंस
ओके।
1.1 में? How
देयर आर
many are?
16।
ओके, आप ट्राई करना, नहीं तो जहां तक मैंने पढ़ा है बाकी भी आप ट्राई करते रहना, इफ यू आर गेटिंग दैट इज ओके, अदरवाइज आई एक्सप्लेन। ओके,
ओके।
एंड मुझे
हम्म।
सेंड करना है नोट्स, आपने क्या क्या लिखा। ओके,
ओके।
मैं
ओके।
ये भी भेज दूंगा, ये जस्ट आई विल कन्वर्ट इनटू पीडीएफ एंड आई विल सेंड इट। ओके,
ओके।
ओके, कोई डाउट है तो मुझे मैसेज कर देना।
ओके सर।
ओके, ओके देना, फिल स्टॉप।
ओके। थैंक यू सर।
ओके।